Hello, my friends. Today I am Dr. Anupma Goel. I will deliver my lecture on Oscillatoria, the blue green algae. I will talk about the systematic position of this Oscillatoria. It belongs to the class Cyanophyceae, order Nostrocales, and family Oscillatoriaceae. Oscillatoria occurs in a wide variety of freshwater habitats such as rainwater pools, streams, ponds, and lakes, and even in the polluted water. The Oscillatoria prolifica is a planktonic species, whereas Oscillatoria salina and Oscillatoria limosa occur in the saline waters, and Oscillatoria rubescens forms dense, deep water blooms in the temperate lakes and ponds. Now I will talk about the thallus structure of the alga Oscillatoria as seen from the diagram. Oscillatoria is an unbranched filamentous alga. The filaments or trichomes occur singly. Each trichome is made up of many cells which are arranged in uniseriate fashion. All the cells of a filament are similar in shape and structure. The trichome is slightly different at the interior and shows a definite polarity. Now, my friends, I will talk in brief about the cell structure of this blue-green alga Oscillatoria. Well, the cell is surrounded by a thin and firm cell wall, and the cell wall is differentiated into four layers: L1 layer, L2, L3, and L4 layers. L1 layer lies next to the plasma lemma. L1 and L3 layers are electron transparent, whereas L2 and L4 layers are electron opaque. Now, my friends, the cell shows a typical prokaryotic structure. The protoplast of the cell is differentiated into peripheral pigmented chromoplast and the central centroplasm. The chromoplast is composed of thylakoids and their associated structures phycobilins. The amount of C-phycocyanin and C-phycoerythrin is higher than any other pigment. In floating species, rounded or hollow, cylindrical and tubular gas vesicles are found in the cytoplasm. The vacuoles help in light shielding and also provide buoyancy to the oscillatoria. The gas vacuoles are formed in low light intensity when filaments are near the bottom of the pond. Some angular polyhedral bodies are found near the centroplasm. They store carboxysomes which contain carbon dioxide fixing enzyme ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate carboxylase. In addition to these, some small spherical polyphosphate bodies are also found in oscillatoria. These polyphosphate bodies contain stored phosphate. They are absent in the young cells. So, my friends, in actively photosynthesizing cells, polyglucone granules are found in between the thylakoids. The central region of the cell of oscillatoria, which consists of the nuclear material, is called as cytoplasm or nucleoplasm. This region strains like the nucleus of eukaryotes, but the nuclear membrane and nucleoli are absent. And now, my friends, I tell you this alga shows the Gedukov phenomenon. What is Gedukov phenomenon? Well, Gedukov observed the species of oscillatoria develop different shades when they are exposed to lights of different wavelengths, and this capacity to change color complementary to that of the light is known as chromatic adaptation or Gedukov phenomenon in oscillatoria. Now I will talk about the movements of oscillatoria. Oscillatoria exhibits spontaneous movements. Two types of movements are recognized in oscillatoria: gliding or creeping movement and oscillatory movement. Thank you, my friends, for watching this video.